Day 44 of Journey to a Millionaire, and today I got another chance, fortunately, to speak with Richmond Din. The question I asked him was regarding how to use content to convert leads into a challenge. And he doesn't speak to many people twice, but I was very lucky. And the answers that he provided me were not to do what you would think. I'm sure everyone has seen, we're looking for 10 people to change their lives, or we're looking for 15 single mums to try our new challenge, or we're looking for a group to do a thing. And this type of hand-raising advertisement is really not a good way to do things. And he explained that people are looking for trust, and I've spoken about this in a previous video. And the best way to demonstrate this to them is to try and build a friendship with them first, and then ask them as a trustworthy friend, or as a friendly mentor rather than a superior to them. You don't want to come down onto them and say, we need a group of you people. We need to say, hi, would you like to participate in this challenge with some of your peers? And I thought this was a very fascinating point that he said, and it's going to be something that I do as I post content. Try to engage with my audience on a friendly level and on a side-by-side parallel level rather than from a place of superiority. So I hope that makes sense. Thanks again to Richmond for all the incredible advice. Tomorrow's his last day of his workshop and I'm looking forward to it. Thanks. Bye.